kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking delicious.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican style chicken chow mein. Yes guys, trust me, I know it's gonna be super delicious. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. I was thinking on making, a recipe, and this come to my mind. Jody, why don't you make some Jamaican style, chicken chow mein? I'm gonna say, but wait, it sounds good. So guys, here it is, and trust me, as I said, you're gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it guys, share. When you share my video, that means my channel grow. So please continue to share my video. I really appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Okay, so stay tuned. So just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Matthew 5 verse 6. So this is the word of the Lord. Blessed are those who are hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed guys, and thank you for hearing the word of the Lord. So guys, I'm gonna start off with my chicken. I'm using chicken breast, okay? And this is 4. Yes, here I have 1 tomato that I cut, as you can see. And I also have scallion, at least 1 stalk of scallion, 1 tablespoon of my fresh thyme, at least 2 teaspoons of my fresh ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice. My onion, this is just half of onion that I finely chop, as you can see. I also have carrot that I cut, and this is how I cut my carrot. I cut it a bit small, long way. Yes. And I also have some sweet pepper. I have the red and I have the green. You can also use yellow. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder. Also have some cabbage, and this is half cabbage, and this is how I cut it. Make sure that you cut it very small, okay? Yes, shred it. And just a handful of my green beans. And guys, you can add as much vegetable as you like. Here I also have at least 3 tablespoons of my honey, and it's just gonna give it a nice flavor. Yes. And at least 2 tablespoons of my tomato ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of my dark soya. So guys, I just want to show you and how I cut up my chicken breast. I already cut up most of it, and this is how I cut it, but I want to show you, okay? Right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up with a cling film, and I'm gonna smash it, okay? So it cook evenly, and I don't want my chicken breast to look too chunky, so that's the reason why I'm gonna use one of these food hammer and just smash it.
Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking.
Remove the cling film. So now I'm gonna take my knife and just cut it small, like so. And that's exactly what I want. That's perfect. in the bowl. So now guys, I'm gonna season my chicken. It's already washed and clean. Firstly, I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons. You can also use vegetable oil. I'm also gonna add just a drop of my browning. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, okay? Because I'm making, guys, like a stew chicken. Yes, stew chicken chow mein. Gonna add at least half teaspoon of my wet jerk marinate, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I'm just gonna mix it all in. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of my onions, just a little bit of my garlic, just a small amount of my ginger. I'm not gonna add all of it. I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some of my seasoning. I'm leaving back this amount. Now I'm just gonna mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. You can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, but it is totally optional, okay? So here it is done. I'm just gonna put it to the side, okay? So guys, here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least 3 tablespoons of my olive oil. So now that my oil is all heated up, as you can see, I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? Space it out. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to fry for at least 4 minutes, okay? Yes, I'm just gonna turn up my stove on medium to high heat. So guys, it's been just over 4 minutes. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it in. Look at that, it looks so good. Absolutely delicious. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all my remaining onion, and I'm also gonna add my tomato, my fresh thyme, my ginger and my pimento seed, some of my scallion. I'm not gonna add all of it, just some of my carrot, and some of my sweet pepper, and I'm also gonna add my green beans. I'm gonna add all my green beans. I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna also add, guys, my cabbage. Gonna mix it in, guys. It looks so good. I'm telling you, this right here is gonna be absolutely delicious. Trust me, it's gonna be super delicious. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 1 minute, okay? just for it to, you know, stir fry a bit. Just gonna turn up my stove, you know, a bit more, you know, high. So 1 minute. That's how it look. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, this is the same bowl that I use to season my chicken, and I'm just water to it. I'm adding water from the kettle. I'm gonna add at least 1.5 cup. Try not to add too much. I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning, my honey, my dark soya, and my ketchup, just like so. I'll mix it in. Then I'm gonna add all that liquid to the side. Guys, I want the cooking to be more faster, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of my cornstarch just to thicken it up. Okay, so this is at least 1 tablespoon of my cornstarch, and it's also gonna make this sauce, you know, be really nice and thick. You know, mix it in. I add at least 1/4 cup of my cold water. Just gonna put it to the side. You know, put my stove on a medium to high heat.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan.
So guys, I'm gonna leave it off covered for at least 10 minutes, okay?
And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So guys, now I'm gonna cook my noodle. So to my pot I add some hot water from my kettle, and I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my salt, and I'm gonna cook it with egg noodle. Okay, you can use any noodle of your choice. Just gonna allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, because they're very easy to cook and you don't want to overcook it.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
So now I'm just gonna cover my pot. I'll just half cover it so it doesn't boil over. So now guys, I'm gonna check back on my chicken. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. It looks so good. So guys, I have some remaining cabbage, so I'm just gonna add my remaining cabbage that I have leave back. You know, so I have, you know, a little bit of crunchiness. Now also have some more sweet pepper, so I'm just gonna add it, and some carrot, some scallion, and thyme. And I'm also gonna add my egg noodle. It is all cooked. Just gonna mix it all in, and look at that guys, absolutely delicious. Guys, it looked absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, this recipe right here, it is a must try. It looks so good. You're just gonna mix it in guys. Once you mix it in, it is all finished and ready to serve.
She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it.
So guys, here I have my plate, so I'm just gonna plate it up.
You can't erase it. Hey!
Absolutely delicious.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes.
Let's add some of that sauce. Oh my gosh. This is like food prawn. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it, guys. This is how I make my stewed chicken chow mein. Guys, trust me, it is cooked to perfection. I just taste some and it is absolutely delicious. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. If I go to a restaurant, I would have definitely order this. This is so good. Your family, your friends, everybody are going to enjoy it. Guys, I'm telling you, don't forget to please share this video. Share it to your friends, your family, people on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. Share it everywhere, guys. And if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.